In recent years, the importance of maintaining a clean and healthy environment in schools has become increasingly evident. Over the last 20 years, Nordfab Australia has carried out hundreds of projects in schools, TAFE colleges, universities, welding schools, and other training facilities. Most recently, we supplied a dust collection system, including ductwork, to a high school in New South Wales. The dust collection system is primarily used for extraction and filtration of wood dust particles that are generated from various woodworking machines, such as table saw, bandsaw, lathe, drop saw, etc. Nordfab Quick Fit, or QF ductwork, is being used to connect to each of the machines and transporting the wood dust particles, which is later being collected at the centralized dust collection unit, eCompact. By installing a dust collection system, educational institutes will experience several benefits, such as benefits of a dust collection and welding fume extraction system include the removal of harmful particulates from the air, including dust, fumes, and gases, which can lead to respiratory problems and other health issues. Welding can be a hazardous process, and proper ventilation is essential to minimize the risk of fires, explosions, and other accidents. A dust collection and welding extraction system can help to reduce these risks by removing hazardous materials from the air. Dust can accumulate on electronic devices, machinery, and other equipment, leading to malfunctions and reduced lifespan. A dust collection system helps protect valuable school assets by preventing dust buildup. This not only saves money on repairs and replacements, but also ensures that educational activities are not disrupted by equipment failures. Australian schools are required to adhere to strict health and safety regulations. Installing a dust collection system can help schools meet these standards by maintaining a clean and safe environment. With more than 20 years of trading in Australia, Nordfab is very proud to be Australia's leading and largest company in the field of dust collection and fume extraction equipment. By prioritizing a clean and safe learning environment, schools can foster better educational outcomes and a healthier community. Contact us today and let us help you create clean air for your school.